How to message friends on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can message friends on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to message your friends on PS4, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is first of all go to your profile settings here. Once you go to your profile settings, to message friends you need to make sure that you have friends, and over here on the left hand side you'll find the friends section. All you have to do is just select the friends, and now just select the friend that you would like to talk to. Once you select the friend that you would like to talk to, here you'll see the messaging button right next to it. Click on the message option here, and then all you have to do is now you can simply go ahead and then basically enter the message that you would like for this person. Once done, you can just hit the send button. If you don't want though, you can also go ahead and actually send a link, a screenshot, or even record a voice message depending upon what else you prefer over here. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically send message to friends on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.